If you are stepping in to host an open mic for the first time, it is normal to feel unsure. The good news is that there is a simple format you can follow to keep the event running smoothly. Once you know the basics, you can add your own personality and create a fun, welcoming atmosphere for both the audience and the performers. Setting up for success. Talk to the event organizer to understand how the open mic will work. Ask about your role, the rules, and any parts you need to follow closely. This will help you know when you can be yourself and when you need to stick to the plan. Place the sign-up list somewhere easy to spot, like near the entrance or welcome desk, and leave pens out so performers can add their names. You could also keep the list with you, especially if people may have questions or need help signing up. While you can include time slots, they may not stay exact as the night goes on. Welcome people as they arrive and spend time with the audience. Greet them warmly, encourage them to sign up, and help create a friendly, comfortable atmosphere for everyone. Meet with the DJ or co-host beforehand so you both know how things will run. If you are hosting alone, you will not need to coordinate with anyone else. Beginning the open mic. Introduce yourself with a warm smile and welcome everyone as the event begins. Thank the audience for coming, share a quick word about yourself, and match your tone to the type of open mic. If needed, also thank the venue or any sponsors. Explain how the open mic will work before the show gets going. Let the audience know the time limit for each performer, when any breaks will happen, and when a headliner will come on if there is one. This helps everyone understand the flow of the event. Go over the rules before the show starts so everyone knows what to expect. Keep it light and engaging while making the main points clear, like respecting the performers, silencing phones, treating the equipment carefully, and avoiding offensive language or long introductions. Let the audience know how they should take part in the show. If the event is more serious, ask them to stay quiet and respectful during performances. If audience participation is welcome, explain what kind of energy and response is encouraged so everyone understands the vibe. Welcome the first performer to the stage and give them a moment to come up. If there is a microphone, check whether they need help and encourage the audience to clap so the energy stays positive. And transitioning between acts, say a few words between performances to keep the energy going. You do not need to say much, just thank the last performer, react to their act, or say something light and engaging before introducing the next person. Match your tone to the style of the event so the show keeps flowing smoothly. Before bringing up the next act, let the following performer know they're on deck. This gives them time to get ready and helps the show keep moving smoothly. Keep track of the performers list by crossing off names as each person goes on stage. Check the next name ahead of time so you say it correctly, and unless you were told otherwise, follow the list in order. If a first-timer is about to perform, encourage the audience to give them a little extra support. It helps the performer feel more comfortable and strengthens the friendly, welcoming vibe of the event. Step in when someone in the audience or on stage becomes rude or breaks the rules. If a performer says or does something seriously harmful, stop the act right away. For smaller issues, address it calmly after the performance and remind everyone of the rules. Interact with the audience when it feels natural to keep the energy up. A quick, playful response to a funny moment or comment can keep people engaged and make the time between performances more lively. Keep the focus on the performers and don't talk too much between sets. Your job is to guide the event, not take attention away from the artists. A good host knows how to keep things moving while still letting the performers shine. End the show by thanking everyone for coming and supporting the event. Let them know when the next open mic will be, thank the venue again, mention your social media, praise the performers, and remind people to clean up as they leave. Thanks for watching.